Welcome to the Excel Skills for HR Professionals course by Unova HRMS. In this chapter, we'll understand how Excel sheets are structured and how you can organize HR-related data in a clear, consistent, and manageable way. Let's get started. To begin, make sure Microsoft Excel is already open on your system. When Excel opens, you will see the Start screen where different templates and recent files are displayed. From here, click on the Blank Workbook option to open a new Excel file. After you select the blank workbook, a fresh spreadsheet will appear. This spreadsheet is made up of rows and columns, and at the bottom of the window, you will find worksheet tabs that allow you to switch between different sheets within the same file. Within each worksheet, you'll find rows and columns. Rows are numbered, and columns are labeled alphabetically. The intersection of a row and a column forms a cell, which is the smallest unit where you can enter or store data. Each cell has a unique address, such as A1 or C5, which helps Excel identify where your data is located. For HR purposes, this structure allows you to systematically record, update, and analyze information like employee names, departments, attendance days, or payroll details. Let's look at how HR data can be organized. You can create separate worksheets for different types of records. For example, one sheet for employee master data, another for attendance tracker, and one more for payroll calculations. In the employee master data sheet, your columns might include employee ID, name, department, designation, joining date, and salary. Each row then represents an individual employee's complete record. This organized format ensures that your data remains clean and easy to reference when creating reports or linking information across sheets. For better clarity, you can also rename each worksheet tab according to its content. To do this, double-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom, type the new name, for example, Employee Master, and press Enter. You can even add color to sheet tabs to quickly identify related sections, like using one color for employee data and another for attendance or payroll. Before you start entering actual data, it's always a good idea to prepare headers in the first row. Headers act as labels for each column, for example, employee name, department, or joining date. Keeping consistent headers across all HR data sheets helps you later when using formulas, filters, or pivot tables. That's it! You now know how to navigate an Excel workbook, understand its layout, and structure HR data efficiently. You can use the same structured format while managing employee data inside Unova HRMS for better clarity and organization. Thank you for watching.